In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the different ways that you can play multiplayer on Minecraft Mobile. So make sure you have the Minecraft game downloaded on either iOS or Android. And then when you're here, you want to go ahead and sign in. Make sure you and the people you want to play with are signed in and have an account. So go ahead and sign in with that button on the left, and then it will prompt you to open up however you normally sign in to your game. Once you signed in, you go ahead and go to Let's Go. It will log in with your account here. And there are a few different ways that you can play with your friends. The first way is going to be on local Wi-Fi. And in order to do this for your worlds, you would just need to go to Edit, or as you're creating the worlds here, you can see that there's some different options here. You would want to go to Multiplayer on the left-hand side, and then you can see Player Access. You have Invited Friends or Friends of Friends, and then you want to make sure that the Visible to LAN players is checked and over to the right. So if that's disabled there, if you're on the same Wi-Fi, they will not be able to see that world, even if it is in the multiplayer mode. So make sure the Visible to LAN players is enabled. That's the first way if you are local multiplayer and in the same location and want to do it over the same Wi-Fi. Next is going to be if you want to play multiplayer from anywhere around the world. What you would need to do is when you're creating a new world here, you would need to go to Create New World, and then over on the left-hand side where it says Multiplayer, you go ahead and tap into Multiplayer. Then where it says Player Access, you need to make sure that you have Friends enabled. So go ahead and make sure Friends is selected, or even Friends of Friends. It really depends on how you want to do this. And then you want to go back to the login screen here, and you want to make sure that you are friends with that person. You just have to make sure when you go back here to the play menu that your friends, right here where it says friends in the upper right-hand corner, tap into that there. You'll see your online friends, and you'll have the ability to search for players. So go ahead and tap search for players. Make sure the person that you want to play with gives you their gamer tag, and then you would just need to go to search gamer tag here, or there'll be an option here that says recommended friends, and you can go and just add those friends like so. You can also share the QR code on the left here via message, and that will automatically pull you up to add your gamer tag for them, so it's a much easier way to do so. Now, when you go back into your game and you edit the game under multiplayer here and you put friends, which has player access, it will basically allow anyone that is added as your Minecraft friend can join that world. Now, when you're on a world like I am here and you've changed the settings, so if we go up here and as you see this option here, we can go to settings here. You should see the option that says multiplayer, and it should give you the ability, as you see, this is a multiplayer game. It's friends only, and it also is visible to LAN players. You can see that under multiplayer settings by just going and tapping on the three lines in the very middle of your screen as you're playing a game. And the last way is a paid way, but you can activate Minecraft Realms, where you can pay for a realm where you can own a server, and it will always be online. The other ways I've shown you thus far, you actually have to be playing at the same time as your friends. If not, you're not going to be able to make progress in the world. So if you want a persistent multiplayer world, you would need to go to the Realms tab here under the Play button here, and you can see that you would need to purchase a Realms account in order for that to work. You can try it for free here by going to the Realms tab, or you can go to Join a Realm, and it allows you to basically type in the link of the realm owner who's paying for it, and you'll be able to join and make progress and do things on that world when that person's not online. So again, three different ways. You have local, LAN, and then you have the multiplayer anywhere in the world, and then you also have the paid Minecraft Realms service. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.